In this video, you'll learn how to create a progress chart in Excel. This is helpful when you want to show progress using a circular chart. It looks clean and gives a clear visual of how far along something is. Let's start by setting up the chart. First, select your data. You should have two values. One value is the actual percentage completed. The other value is the remaining part. For example, if you have completed 45%, then you'll have 45 and 55 in two separate cells. Now, with those two numbers selected, go to the top ribbon and click the Insert tab. From the chart options, choose a donut chart. This will give you a circular chart that is divided into two parts. Once the chart appears, drag it to a good spot on your sheet. You can also click and drag the edges to make the chart bigger or smaller depending on what looks better. The chart will usually come with a title and a legend. You don't need these. Click on the chart title and press Delete. Do the same for the legend, which is usually found on the side or bottom of the chart. Click it and press Delete. Now let's focus on the color of the chart. Click on the part that shows the completed portion. Usually, this is the orange part. Triple-click it so only that part is selected. Now go to the fill color and change it from orange to gray. This helps make the chart look more clean and simple. Next, we want to add the percentage text in the center of the donut. To do that, click on the chart. Then go to the Format tab in the ribbon at the top. Click on the option to insert a text box. Draw a small text box inside the middle of the donut chart. With the text box selected, go to the formula bar at the top. Type the equals sign. Then click on the cell that has the actual percentage value. Press Enter. Now, the text box is linked to that cell and will always show the current progress. You can now move the text box around and make it fit right in the center. Also, resize the text if needed so it looks good in the middle of the donut. That's it. You now have a working progress chart in Excel. Test the chart by changing the value of the percentage. Thanks for watching.